What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we are at Cold Harbor Spring in Long Island, New York. As you can see, it is a very well manicured area, although there seems to be garbage everywhere. Just out here today trying to, away from me you bug, just out here today trying to test out the new video mic NTG by Rode. I have the dead cat on it as well, so hopefully it doesn't muffle it too much. It shouldn't. It's meant for protecting the microphone from having a lot of wind hit up on it, so it doesn't make that like flappy sound. Anyways, this is probably one of the shortest hikes I've ever been on. I've been out here for like about what, 15-20 minutes going uphill, small uphill, nothing, no, it's not a big deal, and it seems to be pretty easy. There's a lot of people out today, and it's only Monday, so I can't imagine how it would be if it was a Saturday or Sunday. There must be tons of people that come out here, but you know, I guess it's better to come out here than, well, for a lot of people it's better to come out here than to go to, I don't know, upstate or something, even though it's much, sorry to say, but it's much nicer upstate if you want nature stuff. So I have the, I believe, the low pass filter on the mic, so I'm trying to drown out the car sounds. Hopefully you don't hear the car sounds, and if you do, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to keep trying out new things or new methods on the mic. Anyways, if it sounds good, please leave a thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't. If the hike is done, I'm gonna get some coffee, get some food, and I'm gonna get on out of here. If it's not, I'm gonna keep going, and you're probably gonna see a lot more trees and grass, and I don't know, maybe I'll throw in a garbage bag or something like that. Definitely not the end of the trails. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's practically poison ivy or poison oak or whatever it is. You don't want to touch that. That'll mess your day up. Nothing but a pile of sticks and some garbage. Alright guys, so that's pretty much for Cold Harbor Spring. I'm at the end of the trailhead. I actually got to go back, but it's going to be the same stuff, so I'm not going to record anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, like it, thumbs up, subscribe, share, something, please. Alright, well, I'm out. Got to get some coffee. See you later.